Let's make a delicious lemon loaf. Okay, we're gonna do this because it probably takes the longest. We're gonna start with 2 lemons, then we're gonna remove the safety, and here's our zester, and we're gonna zest these 2 lemons. Ready? And boom, look at that. We got 2 whole lemon zest that's going straight into the loaf, and we're gonna do it for the icing later. Now, let me show you a little hack about lemons that you'll never forget. Put them in the microwave for 10 seconds. When I said 10, I meant 30. Sorry. Okay. They're out of the microwave, so we're going to go back over here. Okay, a trick with this, after microwaving them, is they're more juicy. So we're just going to cut them. Okay, now I'm going to put a little strainer over the little tiny bowl. Well, maybe we need a bigger bowl. Okay, look at that. Now we're just going to squeeze each lemon dry. Next, you're going to grab a bowl. 1.5 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And then we're going to take ourselves over here to where the mixing bowl is. Now to the mixing bowl, we're going to add 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of vegetable oil, half a cup of plain Greek yogurt, not 1, but 2 eggs. Yes! That was for fresh fertilizer, by the way. Then we put about a teaspoon of vanilla in there. Obviously, if we're making a lemon loaf, we're going to add our lemon zest that we just did and our lemon juice. Now, we're going to mix until smooth. I wish you could smell this right now. Next, we're going to slowly add a little bit of this into that. Ready? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Boom, look at that. And we're going to put this in this. We're going to start by preheating our oven to 350 degrees. Ready? Watch this. 1, 2, 3. Look at that. Now we're going to close it. Now my recipe says like 50 minutes, but I always start with a timer of like 30 minutes. So let's go do that. Okay, just like before, for our glaze, we're going to be prepping some lemons. We're going to do 3. We're going to start by zesting 2 of them. Okay, I just microwaved them to give them more juice. And we're going to cut and squeeze. Now we got that. We're going to add our lemon zest and 1 cup of powdered sugar. If it's a little too runny, you could add a little bit more powdered sugar. Okay, now that we got that prepped, we're going to wait. And while I'm waiting, I'm going to clean up. There we go. Okay, I just took it out of the oven after being in there for like 15 minutes. And it's a little messed up because I took it out of the pan, but we all are.